you did, you'd be dead.
The guy in the sketch, you were at the farmhouse.
That's right. Your friend there was pretty good. A bit out of his league. I'm not surprised that he crossed to the other side.
You know what's going on here? You know where my daughter is?
Look, we're exposed here. We gotta go now.
Go? What are you talking about? Go where?
Somewhere safe. Get in the car.
No, not until you tell me what's going on. Becky, I am so glad you called.
Castle, Alexis wasn't taken by accident. She was the target. They wanted her.
Listen, What are you doing? That was a $200 phone.
That's how they track you. Now get in the car.
Hey, I am not getting in the car.
Oh, don't be an idiot. I'm the good guy.
Oh, you expect me to trust you?
You're still alive, aren't you? What are you gonna do? Stay out here in the woods with all the dead guys?
Fine. I'll get in the car.